How to change theme in WhatsApp. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do this. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the right top, you can see this three dot icon. Simply tap on this three dot icon and on the bottom, tap on settings. So basically we in this settings interface. Here, you'll be able to find different options and even customize it. So if you slowly scroll down, here you can find a section called chats. Simply tap on it and on the top you'll be able to find the option called theme. Select theme. So basically there are two different types of theme, light one and the dark one. So you can simply choose the one that you like. So it's up to you and the way you want to customize. At last, hit on OK and you're all set to go. So the whole interface is changed. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.